Well, hello there, guys. Welcome back to Bee Swarm. And update just came. Oh my gosh, what's going on? So yeah, there's an update that just came out. And I'm going to be telling you that I'm not gonna tell you what's gonna go on in this video. All I'm gonna tell you is that there's pronged cogs in the game. You're probably wondering what the heck does that mean? Well, let me explain to you. First, let's get a bunch of stuff, like a lot of honey. Let's just get a lot of honey real quickly. I just want to get a lot of honey because I need some honey. And yeah, so over there, where my key is, over there I'm going to be telling you something that's gonna blow your mind. Maybe, could be. I don't know. So as I just collect a bunch of stuff real quickly, let's just microconvert it, and I'm going to be telling you the codes. So let's get into today's video. Alright, almost got a full bag. And that should be it. Alright. Before we get into, so over here is a secret little thing where you can get, like, a nice 3 microconverters, and then there's this little ... sign that apparently has words to it. So let's just quickly go over 2 codes that came in. First off is band, which would give you capacity and stump field. No, not capacity. It would give you spider, and it will give you a stubborn beating. Now, if you also use reboot PC, you will get a capacity and Cloverfield boost, which is very good. So let's go over here and explain it to you. So over here in the first shop, there is this strange goggles thing. And it says it doesn't do very much. It gives 77 plus capacity and 7 plus defense. But it also gives this thing over here, possibly. So let's get over these codes. So our first code is Terry. Don't ask. I don't know. Yes. So we get a pronged and we get a mushroom field boost. So yeah, these codes are pretty OP, by the way. So you should probably use them while you're doing it. They do lots of stuff for you. Like this gives 100% mushroom field and 100% field capacity, which is pretty cool. I think this is a market field boost, right? Code buff. Oh, it's just a code buff. I thought it was a market buff. Alright. Next code is jump start, which will give you another cog and a dandelion boost. Let's grab all this stuff. Let's also tell these guys, use code dysentery. I told them that. Jump start. Oof. We're gonna turn off chat just in case they're trying to tell me what happens. Yo, there's a star! What the? I didn't know this was in. Guys, there is a star. I didn't know this was in game. No, you can't tell him. You can't tell me anything. Yo, this is OP. Yielding star aura. Yo, that's pretty cool. Alright, next code anyways. There is Carmen. San Diego. That will give you a bronze and a nice little rose boost. What's going on in chat? We have a code I already used is Luther. Yep. There is Word Factory. Pine tree. Ooh, pine tree. Struggles. And our final one, Millie. And 7 out of 7. So now let's go check out what this is. Like, I seriously have not seen this yet. No. Let's see what it does. Oh my gosh, what the? Yeah, I'm using them. Yo, what? Wait, what? What? What the? Robo Bear. Robo Bear. Nope, it's Robo Bear. Question. Symbol this. Symbol this. What the heck? Did I just see? Right. Question. That symbol. That symbol. That symbol. Let's see if this does something. What if it just teleports me somewhere? What the heck? It's got it. It's Robo Bear. It is Robo Bear. It has to be If it's not Robo Bear, I'm gonna question what Honest's doing. And where's the and sign? Go back in here. Question mark. Question that. What's this do? What? Question mark. This. Oh my gosh. Question mark. This. And no, that's dollar sign. And what's going on? No, I need to look inside the computer again. Okay, that sign. Yeah, okay. So better. Yes, read them. What is this mean? What does it 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 mean? What does this mean? What does it mean? What does it mean? What does the heck am I doing? What does it mean? What does it mean? What does all this mean? What is going on in this world? What does this mean? What do you say? Am I supposed to copy what you're saying? Maybe I am. I don't know. Alright, let's do this. Question mark. This sign. What? Oh my gosh. I can't copy him. He's impossible to copy. Wait, what? These buttons do something? Oh my god. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Do you know? I don't know. You don't know. We don't know. It's doing something. I don't understand what he's doing. There's a star in this field for some reason. I don't understand it. Like, guys, please comment down below. What does this thing do? Like, what does it mean? Is there a reason? Why field lice here? I don't know. But yeah, guys, yeah. Sure, I guess that makes sense. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and get notified for more content. Maybe he gave me a quad. No, he did not. I don't understand. What? Okay. We have to go check some things. By the way, Red HQ, nothing changed. Alright, let's go. And if you don't understand what I mean, then you don't understand what I mean. It's a secret that I only know. And you don't know, because I am the secret man. What if there's just something here that we don't see correctly, and we need to find it? Like if Robo Bear's in the game, that would be so great. I just asked you, hey, do you know the code? Do you know this code? Here's the I just need a code, okay? That'd be so funny. But the thing is, like, oh no, 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 no. Alright, let's just check around just a little bit more, just in case. Like, I know there's this awesome deal on. I want to buy it. Why can I not buy it? I want to buy it so badly. It's so good of a deal. I have to buy it. I'm gonna buy it. Oh my gosh, Joanne. Mm-hmm. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Can you please die? Please, please, please. Apparently this is for, like, there's this Ready Player 2 thing or something. That's a secret. I don't know about that. That's kind of sus. You're kind of sus, guys. So either you like, subscribe, and get notified, or you stare at these two colors for the next 50 videos. Alright? Alright, bye.